Hello, beautiful people. How are you doing today? I hope you are good. In today's recipe, we'll be grilling tilapia fish without an oven. This fish is moist, it's delicious, it's yummy. You can grill any other fish this way, but I'll be using tilapia for this recipe. First, we'll wash the fish. I've removed the gill, the fin, and the scales. And I'm using lime to wash this. With lime, you get rid of all this smell from the fish. I'll rub the lime and cleanse it with water all through. You can also use lemon for this, you'll get the same results. Now rinse it off with water completely. Now I'll put it in this pan to drain completely. I want to drain out all the water. Let's prep the ingredients and the spices we'll be using. I have the white onions, the purple onions, I have the ginger, and I have the garlic. I also have the shombo, the cayenne pepper, and I have the scotch bonnet pepper also. I'll cut all this into little chunks because I want to grate it, not blending it completely. You can always use as much pepper as you can bear, but this is fish and the more pepper the better for us. I'll transfer this into my food processor. Observe I'm wearing the gloves because I don't want this pepper to hurt me afterwards. I'll add in a teaspoon of salt and 1 seasoning cube. If you have fish seasoning, that will be the best. And I'll grate this. We are looking for a rough texture. Here is the texture we are looking for. Now bring it out into a bowl. And with my spatula, I'll mix it all to combine for the seasoning and the salt to be properly combined. Now bring in my fish. It has drained lots of water, but I'll still dab it with my serviette papers. I don't want any water retention at all for this fish. As much as possible, I'll get out all the water from the fish. I'll clean the inside also, clean all parts of the fish, and I'll make an incision on the fish for easy penetration of the spices and seasoning. I will turn the fish to the other side and make the same incisions also. and I'll dab it off of any extra water. This fish contains lots of water and oil, and we wouldn't want this because we are not using the oven for this grilling. We'll be using our pots, and the less water the better. At this point, I'll start rubbing the blended ingredients all over the fish, the inside, all parts of the fish. This will help it to marinate well, for the fish to be well seasoned and to be tasty when we are through cooking this. I'll turn to the other side and repeat the same process also. I'll fill it into all the incisions made. Where are you watching me from? Do you like this recipe? Will you be trying it out? It's quite simple and easy. And I'll be transferring this fish into my aluminum foil. First, I will rub the pepper mix on the aluminum foil before bringing on the fish. And here I have some curry leaves. If you have rosemary leaves, they will serve the same purpose, but today's recipe I'll be using the curry leaves. And I'll wrap the fish with the aluminum foil. We'll have to secure it properly so that it doesn't start draining liquids inside the pot. I'll secure it further with another aluminum foil, and I'll wrap it properly and close the edges properly also. I'll leave this on my counter and allow it to marinate between 5 to 10 minutes before sending it into the pot. And in the meantime, let's go and warm up the pot. I have the pot on medium heat, and I'll place in the stand and I'll cover the pot and allow it to heat up for 5 minutes. And this is 5 minutes later. And after 25 minutes, I'll have to turn this to the other side. Observe, I'm wearing the protective gloves. This is well heated at this point. Be careful not to hurt yourself. And I'll cover it back and I'll allow it for another 25 minutes. And this is what we'll have after 15 minutes of grilling. I'll open it up. It's still hot at this point, but we would like to take it while it's still hot. When you grill with the pot, it takes longer time than when you're using your oven. And here comes our moist, well-grilled fish. This is so delicious, so delicious. You will want to have more and more of this. It's well cooked and it's moist and it's yummy. Please subscribe to my channel if you've watched till this point. Please also like and share this video. Thank you very much. I will really appreciate that. You can make this fish for your family, for your friends, for yourself. It's quite easy and quite simple to prepare. You can have this fish as a standalone. You can have it with fried plantain or fried potatoes. It's so delicious. You'll want to cook it every day. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.